Hi guys, today we came to the New York and this is the billboard of it. It is like I love New York. And guys, this is a natural view of New York and it's incredible. And guys, now we are in Rust House after a long drive from New Jersey and this Rust House looks incredible. And guys, we are gonna have our lunch here. Guys, view of the rest house is incredible and also they have some historical pieces or antique pieces of the state of the New York.